now you're in the zone.
What's going on, guys? This is Coach Ali. I'm here with one of my champs, Josh, and he's here to show you how to throw that jab cross from that southpaw stance. That's with that right foot forward, that left foot back, ready to come at you with the quickest combination in boxing. The jab and the cross. Good. Again. When throwing that jab cross from the southpaw stance, you got to make sure you step with that right foot and rotate that left foot. You squish that bug with that left foot and you make sure you have a nice firm step with that front foot. In sequence, it goes step, rotate. He's stepping with that lead foot, he's rotating that rear foot, and he's really making sure that his arms are tucked in and he's going straight to the target. And notice his mitt placement when he lands the punches on my pads. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you want to find out more about boxing and how to learn a little bit more, some new techniques, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? And if you want to get in touch with me, maybe get some coaching virtually or in person, follow me on Instagram, @AliCounts. And if you want to see how the champ is progressing, go follow his Instagram. That will be linked in the bio, and you can see right on the top of the screen here. And remember, it's not fighting, it's boxing, baby. Just recreate this here. It's like boom.
Oh, side step, step, like you pump fake side.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
Is
so,
it?
so.
Yes. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Ready? Good. Good. Now slow mo on it. Okay. Slow mo on it. Ready?